Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, my today's recipe? What? This is an empty milk box? No, this is candle. Obviously, we are going to make a candle. Yes?
Yes, Mommy.
So, it's my daughter's demand. Mama, I want to learn how to make a candle. So, I thought of sharing the video with you. See, this is 1 cup candle. It is not about measuring actually, it is just about an idea. I'm just giving you an idea. See, this is also 1 cup candle, but this is the used one. सबके घरों में कैंडल यूज होती है. अब तो क्योंकि इन्वर्टर्स आ गए हैं, so we don't use it much. Still, दिवाली पर और क्रिसमस पर और on any other festival we use candles. So what to do with those leftover candles? Usually they have been thrown in the dustbins, but you don't need to throw them anymore. These can be reused. So see, I can show you. See, I have taken out the wick and see, this is the used one. See, I used one. पूरा जो नीचे मेल्ट होकर कलेक्ट हो जाता है. See, again I used one. So I'll be melting this. You can melt it as it is. Just put it in the pan and melt it. But you have to be very careful, because अगर आपका pan का depth नहीं है, so it can even catch fire. That is not very good. So I have taken a deep pan. Other than this, the best way to melt the candle is double boiler method. Just put some water in the pan and over it put another vessel. Put the candle in it and let it melt. So let us begin. So I have put it on melting. See, the flame is very low. So let it melt. I've been using a stick to mix it. See, it has started melting. I'm not using any spoon or spatula just because the candle will stick to it, and it is a very tough task to remove it, to clean them. So after using it, you can throw it, you can keep it for making another candle. Okay, so as you can see, it has started melting, and now I have done some preparations. See, this is a normal Tetra Pak. You can use any Milk's Tetra Pak. It is not only about Amul, but any Milk's Tetra Pak. Okay, I'll keep it aside. See, I have cut it into 2 parts and stick these ends so that ये हमारा जो बॉक्स है ये स्टेबल हो जाए, because it was turned inside, so the boxes were not very much stable. In a stick मैंने ये रस्सी बांधा है, a thread. Okay, it should be of, see, look at the height, it is perfect. And the same way I'm gonna do it. Put it in the box. No, yes, like this. Okay, so this is done. Now I will be mixing. Don't go at the color. It is because these are the used candles, they have dirt in it. So but it will light the same way जो आपका clean candle जैसे चलती है वैसे ही ये भी चलेगी. So just no need to worry, just melt it, put it in that box. Okay, we will not put it in that box directly, but I will be putting some ice to it. So it is about to melt. See, let me show you one thing. I have taken 2 colors. One is purple and one is orange. And for the fragrance, I'm been using this. You can use tea tree oil. You can use any other oil for the fragrance actually. See, the candle has almost melted. Okay. Just a little bit left. It has started burning. Actually not burning, but the flame has started coming out. So I have closed the flame and let it melt itself only. Till then, we'll be putting, जब तक हमारा कैंडल वैक्स मेल्ट हो रहा है, let us prepare our box. So put some ice cubes in the box. Yes, very good. Don't worry about the wick, it will still light. Put a lot of ice to it. Let it be, baby. So guys, as you can see, the wax is completely melted. See, there are no lumps. Don't worry about it, we will strain it. Now put some color to it. Yes, put more. Don't worry about it, baby. Don't worry about it. So as you can see, the color has changed. Okay, now we are adding some perfume to it. Yes, you don't need to add much, just a few drops of it. Approx 10-15 drops will be more than enough. Yeah, just that's it, baby. Leave it and mix it properly. Okay, you want to mix? Do it. Very good. This way. Now we will be transferring the wax in our ready box. So see, now we'll be straining, जिससे उसमें जो भी look at this, just look at this, and we are done. That's it. Okay, so don't touch it, leave it like this and let it set. Then I will show you. Till then we'll be making our next candle, and I'll be making it, actually we will be making it in, which color is this?
Purple.
Yes, it's your favorite one, na? Yes, so we'll be making another candle with purple color. So we'll repeat the steps again. Till then, let it set for some time. So again we are doing the same steps. Put it. Very good. But this time I'll be showing you a different trick. See, it is not compulsory that you have the wax colors all the time in your home, but I'm sure that you must be having that crayons in your home. Just because बच्चे होते हैं तो उनके साथ में crayon is required in every time. So if you don't have colors, you can also add crayons. Beta, please put these crayons, as I have very few drops of color left, so it will be very less. So I thought that I have some leftover crayons, so why not adding that to it? Okay, leave it. You don't need to mix it continuously. Just we have mixed it, let it melt, then we will move forward. See, the color has melted and we have got a beautiful purple color here. You like this color, na? Are you happy for it?
Give me, mommy, please.
It could be harmful. Be careful. Okay, now just leave it. Let it melt itself. Okay. See, it is almost done. There are only 1 or 2 pieces of wax left. So I have switched off the flame and will take it off. Let it melt and mix on its own. Okay, very good. That's it. Now you add some fragrance to it, Lavanya. Please add in some fragrance. Very good. How's the fragrance? You like it? It's amazing, no? Okay, that's it. So here we are done. Our wax is ready to go in the box, but our box is not yet ready. So put in some ice. Put in some ice to it, Lavanya.
Okay, yeah. Ice is very cold.
Yeah, it can be hot, na? Yeah, baby.
Yes, Mommy.
Put some more. So our box is also ready now. So before putting the wax into it, my baby is mixing it well. Okay, that's it. That's it. Leave it. Put the stick out now. Very good. So, what are you doing? Okay. So, just wait.
Mama, I will do it.
Just wait. No, baby, it's hot. I cannot. Wait. So, here we go. कैंडल हमारी तैयार है. एक्चुअली कैंडल तैयार नहीं है, बट येस, एवरी स्टेप हैज़ बीन डन. अभी वी विल put it aside to set and let it rest for some time. ड्राई हो जाएगा, देन आई विल शो यू हमारी कैंडल कैसी बनी है. सी, अभी ये हमारा पूरा जम गया है. इट इज़ ऑल डन. अभी इट्स टाइम टू टेक देम आउट. ये देखिए, कम आपने कैंडल लिया. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर टाइम कि 5 मिनट्स में या 10 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट आपने वैक्स कितना लिया है. इसमें जैसे कम था, ये जल्दी आपका फ्रोज हो गया. इसमें ज़्यादा था तो इसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा. सो लेट मी टेक दम आउट. इसको थोड़ा सा कट करेंगे. लेट मी टेक द सीजर फर्स्ट. The ice has melted. Cut this. Wow, beautiful texture now. Let us open another one also. I'll cut it from here. Done. So I'll now open the next one. Throw the water away. See. Let us see how it will be. I just hope it must have got a good texture. See, I did not put any oil या greasing, कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें मिल्क रहता है तो it is already greased. You don't need to do anything extra. Just put in the wax and let it dry, let it freeze on room temperature only, and it will come out automatically. Wow, see, a few pieces of ice are still left. See, look at this. Wow, wonderful, na? See, it has even got 2 colors. Let me show it closely. The purple and the light purple. See, this is all brown, yellow. Yeah, see, the hive-like candles are ready. I'll cut the extra thread and here candles are ready. You can wrap them, you can gift them. It will be a wonderful gift actually if you are going somewhere, and it is totally homemade. See, I have made it. This candle was made using the unused wax, and this candle was made using the leftover wax. So see, there is no difference in both of them. This is the smaller, this is the bigger. You can make even more bigger as per you like. And if you don't have this rassi or the wax thread are also available. Actually I am short with it, तो वैक्स थ्रेड आप लगा सकते हो. और इफ़ यू डो नॉट हैव एनीथिंग तो मोली तो हम इंडियंस के घर में मिलती ही है. यू कैन पुट दैट ऑल्सो. सो देर इज़ नथिंग लाइक कि यही लगाना है, बस यही ही करना है. नो, do your experiments, do share your experiments with me, even try to make the video, and please like and share to my channel if you like the video, if you like that my daughter helped me so well. So just keep enjoying and like my video. Thank you. See you soon with the next. Okay, bye bye.